Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing a very important but overlooked topic, and that is estate planning for families who have children or loved ones with disabilities. If you've lost a loved one like I have recently, you know how very important it is to have estate planning. But for families who have children with disabilities, guys, this takes on a whole new level of importance. So let's dive into the statistics. Let's discuss why planning is essential and how you can take the first step. Let's go. So, guys, if you're subscribed to this channel, and I hope that you are, you know that I recently lost my mom, and it has been a very trying time for my family. But the one thing that my family did not have to worry about was how my mom would plan for her transition. My mom planned in advance for her family. My mom had her will, her power of attorney, her advance directive. Listen, my mom even had two burial plots that were paid for in advance by her husbands. She was married twice and she had burial plots already paid for. So I really wanted to encourage and convey to my listening audience to please start estate planning for your family. And I know that some of you are going to say, well, I don't have anything. I promise you, you do. There's nothing more stressful that when someone passes and there's nothing left in place, right? There's nothing. There are no written instructions. So you do have something, and it is so vitally important that you start ASAP. So let's have a conversation. So, guys, I'm going to be posting the links, of course, to everything that we talk about today. But research shows that only 37% of Americans have estate plans. 37% of Americans. That is wild. And for families who have children with disabilities, the numbers are even more concerning. Studies show that less than 20% of parents who have children with disabilities or special needs have established a plan for their future care. Less than 20%. This can leave children vulnerable, guys, to hardships, legal challenges, and even the risk of losing access to critical government benefits. So, what is estate planning? In short, it's a way to ensure that your assets, your finances, and your wishes are carried out after your death or if you become incapacitated. This means ensuring your child's financial future, appointing guardians, and ensuring that their unique needs are met. So, guys, I'm on YouTube, and of course, there are legal things that I have to say. So, let me stress that I am not an attorney. This is not legal advice. Again, I'm gonna leave links where you can get some help. But key components of estate planning include a will, specifics. A will include specifics who inherits your property and who you want as a guardian for your child. A special needs trust, which is a legal tool to manage assets for your child without jeopardizing their eligibility for government benefits like Medicaid or SSI. A power of attorney and advance directives. This appoints someone to manage your affairs if you're unable to. Why is this so important? Without proper planning, your child's future could be at risk. Here's why estate planning is essential. Preservation of government benefits. If your child inherits money outright, it could disqualify them from vital programs like SSI or Medicaid. A special needs trust avoids this issue. Legal clarity. Planning prevents legal disputes or confusion over your intentions. Peace of mind. Knowing your child's financial, medical, and personal care needs will be met gives you peace of mind. Guys, imagine the stress you can spare your loved ones by having everything laid out in advance. There's a saying that goes, families fight there are guaranteed to be family fights at weddings and funerals. And and someone once said, and I was like, why is that? And someone once said, because there's food and money involved. And guys, I have seen some things like, right? I've seen families just literally come apart when it comes to the passing of someone. And this just doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be if there are documents in place that intentionally detail what you want to happen after you pass. So, how do you get started with estate planning? Getting started might seem overwhelming, but there are several resources to help you. Again, guys, I'm not an attorney. I'm just sharing information, but you can start by finding a qualified estate planning attorney. Look for one who specializes in special needs planning. Check out websites like the Special Needs Alliance, which is a nonprofit with a directory of attorneys who specialize in special needs planning. You can check out the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys. This is another great resource for locating a specialized attorney. And you can check out lawhelp.org. They offer guidance for finding legal aid in your area. Guys, you can also use research tools like Special Needs Trust. These are essential for protecting assets for your child without affecting their eligibility for benefits. And of course, talking to professionals like a certified financial planner who has expertise in special needs, which can also help create a holistic plan. So, just piggybacking off of my mom, she was a certain age when she got help for her special needs planning. So she was actually able to get it done for free. Um, Me personally, I use two different resources, guys. I use an attorney who specialized in special needs trust, and she recommended um, a financial planner slash insurance agent who specialized in special needs. So the insurance policy that I have in place for Brian, it actually, his special needs trust is the beneficiary. That's just what I did. But of course, this is not legal advice. Please talk to a professional and please do your own research. So, guys, I just want to wrap up this video with this. Your child's future depends on the decisions that you make today. Don't wait until it's too late. Start your estate planning process now to ensure their care, stability, and happiness. And if you found this video helpful, please like, please share, and please subscribe so that we can help more families navigate these very important topics. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out the links and the resources in the comment section, one of them including my free ebook. May God bless you and your family. And remember, guys, I always leave with this. Protect your peace and your mental health at all costs and by any means necessary. See you next time. Doo!